Brentacre Car Insurance Review Usage Experience. Links to Brentacre Car Insurance are in the description below. In this video, I'll share my experience and go over the features of Brentacre, who it's best for, and what sets it apart from other car insurance providers. Brentacre specializes in offering tailored car insurance for high-performance, modified, and classic cars. They cater to drivers who have vehicles that don't fit the typical mold, whether it's a modified car with custom parts or a classic vehicle that needs specific coverage. One of the standout features of Brentacre is their expertise in insuring modified and high-performance vehicles. If you've made any changes to your car, like tuning the engine or upgrading the suspension, Brentacre will ensure these modifications are covered. They also offer flexible policy options, allowing drivers to select a level of coverage that matches their specific needs, from third-party only to fully comprehensive insurance. Brentacre also provides track day insurance for car enthusiasts who take their vehicles to the track. This is a big plus for drivers who regularly participate in motorsport events or track days, as typical car insurance doesn't cover this type of activity. They have a team of specialists who understand the requirements of enthusiasts and can offer more personalized advice and coverage. Another notable benefit is their competitive pricing for modified cars, which can often be more expensive to insure. Despite the specialty nature of the service, Brentacre's rates are very reasonable, especially for owners of classic or modified cars. The customer service team is also very responsive, offering quick assistance in the event of a claim. In conclusion, Brentacre is a great option for anyone with a modified, high-performance, or classic car who needs tailored coverage. If you have a car that doesn't fit into the standard insurance boxes, Brentacre has the knowledge and policies to properly insure it. For more information or to get a quote, check out the links in the description below.